Ever wanted to know how to say the days of the week in Setswana? I got you. Monday, musupologo. Musupologo. Tuesday, labobedi. Bobedi means two. So the second day, labobedi. Wednesday, laboraro. That means the third day, laboraro. Thursday, labone. Labone, the fourth day. Literally the fourth day. Friday, labotlano. Labotlano. That means the fifth day. Saturday, matlazo, the day you do your laundry. Sabata, the day of the Sabbath. Satertaga, which is Afrikaans in origin. Sunday, tibi, because the church bell rings on Sunday. Sunday, or sontaga, which is Afrikaans in origin. So the days of the week, musupologo, labobedi, laboraro, labone, labotlano, matlazo, satertaga, sabata for Saturday, and sontaga or tipi for Sunday. Now you're ready. Take care.